Hey, my wife, bro. Or not. Oh, oh, oh! Oh, oh! Okay, shit, son. Yo, what the f— What? Wait! Oh my god. Oh, she can't come in. She can't come in. Oh, she can. Oh, shit, shit. Oh, shit, shit, shit. Oh, shit, 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 shit. Oh, shit, 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 shit. Oh, shit, 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 shit. Oh, maybe I'm supposed to hide in the locker. I messed up. Shoot. Or we just follow the blood. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. What the hell was that? That terrified me. Please don't come here.
Let's play.
Oh! Ah! Sorry. Ah! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. How am I gonna get through this game? How am I gonna get through this game? Ah! Oh my god. What the hell? I just scared myself. Oh my god, no! What the f— What the f— Oh! 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 Oh, please! Ow! Oh my god, that's never happened to me before. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh, that was this really silly move. I literally ran in the locker right in front of her. That was totally my fault. Is he still in the corner? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! What? Oh, my— oh shoot! Oh! Oh! Oh my god! 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 Why am I looking again? I don't want to look again. Oh my god. A tiny rolled amulet. Oh my god! Oh my god! Nothing! Oh my god, my mom's panicking.
I do it for you, chat.
Man.
I do it for you.
Please don't open the door. I'm right here. Oh! Oh! No! Oh, shitaroo! Oh no! For me, just as long as you're playing with me. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah! Oh my god. Like, I don't— ah! Oh my god. I really don't like that sound. It's a really creepy sound. I'm so sorry, guys. I really don't like that siren type sound. It's really creepy. But like, who's gonna be chasing me? I don't see anyone who's chasing me yet.
Why would you say that? Why would you say that?
Not that I want someone. Ah! Oh my god.
Where are you? It's playtime.
Y'all thought I was playing. Look, she's coming after me.
You're there.
Ah! 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 Oh my god! Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Ah, please! Oh! Well, maybe he killed her. Ah! Wait.
What is that?
What's happening to me? Oh, is this how I hide? Oh, this is how I hide. Oh my god, that was so scary. Oh my god, no! Oh no! Haha, you can't come down, you loser! That is the reason why he slams it so loudly. Oh my god! Oh my god! For what? Ah! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why am I in her hair? Oh my god. I'm dead. Oh my god. Ah! Oh my god. He's looking that way. Oh no! Oh shit! Oh my god! How do I get up? Oh no! Oh no! No no no! Please, I died. Oh my god. No 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 no! No! Oh my god! Oh hell no. Oh my god. 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 Okay. Well, I guess we can go back to jail. Ah! Oh, what? Oh my god. Wait. Hello? Oh, 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 oh. Oh my god. What the hell? Oh. Ah! Oh my god. Wait. No. What? Oh my god, wait, what? Hello? That's a ghost. Look at his legs. He ain't even there. Wait, why are they making me start all over again? Oh, hell no. What the hell? Oh no. Oh no! What is this? Oh, this is the thing that I did. If all the candles are put out, the door might open. This will open. Now I understand. Now I understand. Now I understand. We gotta. Now I understand. Get that crowbar. Get that key. Oh my god. I understand. Guys. I understand.